Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel ABC All Baking and Cooking. Today we are going to show you how to make gajrela. We will put a deep pan or pot on low flame and we will add 1 liter of milk into it. Then we will add 250 grams of carrots, grated carrots. We'll mix it up and then we will let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After that we will add half cup of thoroughly rinsed and soaked rice, but before that we will crush them with the help of hands so that they can be blended easily, and we will let it cook for almost half an hour on very low flame until the milk is near to dried up or the milk is like very low and it's about to dry. So at this point we will add another 1 liter of milk, and along with the milk we will add 3 to 4 cardamoms. Again we will let it cook for almost 1 hour on very low flame until the mixture gets thickened up. Then we will mash it with the back of our wooden spoon so that there are no lumps. Rice and carrots are fully mashed up. At this time we are going to add 1 cup of sugar and we will check the taste, and if we need some more sugar we can add it on later. In the last we will add the remaining last liter of milk into this, and again we will cook it until we get the desired consistency. So I checked the sugar, it was a little less sweet, so I am adding half cup of more sugar. We are cooking it. See, our gajrela is ready. It's not very thick and not very runny. And we will garnish it with the almonds. So keep coming back on our channel for more recipes. More interesting recipes are coming soon.